Exciting news has surfaced about the DJI Air 4, and if the latest leaks are anything to go by, this could be a major step forward for the Air series. With rumored enhancements in design, camera technology, and flight capabilities, DJI seems to be pushing the boundaries yet again. Leaked images and insider reports even suggest the Air 4 may share some elements with the highly anticipated Mavic 4, hinting at a more refined and high-performance drone. While nothing is confirmed just yet, there's plenty to break down, so let's get into it. One of the biggest leaks so far comes from renowned drone insider Jasper Ellens, who shared an image of what appears to be a crashed prototype of the DJI Air 4. This leak gives us our first real glimpse into what DJI might have in store. From the image, the top cover design bears some resemblance to previous models, but there are some notable changes. The prototype showcases two distinct sensors and an LED beacon, aligning with rumors about the upcoming DJI Mavic 4. This could indicate a shift toward a more unified sensor system across DJI's drone lineup. What's particularly interesting is the presence of what looks like an upgraded LiDAR sensor array on the front. If true, this could significantly enhance obstacle detection and improve low-light performance, making nighttime flights safer and more reliable. One of the standout changes in the leaked prototype is a set of sturdier, more reinforced arms compared to the Air 3. This could mean improved stability and durability, though, as Jasper noted, the final design could still evolve. Another noticeable shift is the apparent removal of wide-angle sensors on the front corners. Instead of relying on multiple wide-angle cameras for obstacle detection, DJI may be transitioning to a LiDAR-based system. If so, this could offer more precise object detection, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. However, how well this performs in real-world scenarios remains to be seen. Jasper Ellens isn't the only one dropping hints about DJI's next drone. Another well-known source, Quadro News, recently shared a cryptic image of a drone stacked on top of what appears to be the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. While there's no official confirmation, speculation is swirling that the mystery drone could be the DJI Air 4 or possibly even the Mini 5. The timing of these leaks is intriguing. If DJI is already testing new models, we might be closer to an official release than expected. While leaks don't paint the full picture, several rumored specs suggest the Air 4 could see significant upgrades. Reports indicate that it may feature dual 1-inch cameras, a major improvement over the Air 3, which would enhance low-light performance and overall image quality. If the rumors about a variable aperture hold true, this would allow for greater control over exposure and more cinematic shots. 4K recording at high frame rates seems like a given, potentially with enhanced dynamic range and richer color depth. Additionally, some sources suggest DJI might introduce a mechanical shutter to reduce motion distortion, an exciting possibility for professionals. On the safety front, the Air 4 is rumored to feature full 360-degree obstacle detection powered by LiDAR technology, making it one of the most advanced collision avoidance systems in the Air series. Battery life could also see a boost, with some reports suggesting an extended flight time of up to 50 minutes, surpassing the Air 3's already impressive 46-minute endurance. Meanwhile, DJI's continued advancements in OcuSync transmission technology hint at stronger connectivity and improved tracking performance. So when can we expect the DJI Air 4 to hit the market? Based on leaks, a late 2025 release seems the most likely timeline. DJI typically refreshes the Air series every 2 years, so this would align with their usual strategy. As for pricing, the Air 3 launched at $1,099, and while the Air 4 may remain in that range, an increase wouldn't be surprising if DJI packs in premium features. If these leaks are accurate, the DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a serious competitor in the drone world. With an upgraded sensor layout, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and longer flight times, it could bring pro-level features into the Air lineup. What do you think of the rumored DJI Air 4 features? Would they be enough to make you upgrade from the Air 3? Let us know in the comments.